We'll guide you through how to make a shirt on Roblox Mobile. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, we need to go and design the shirt. A great way of doing this is with an app. So come and open up your app store and you want to search for an app called MakerBlocks. Download it and install it and we can open it up. Come to the bottom and tap on home and you can select shirt at the top. Now you can go and see these different templates. I want to use this style here, so I'll click on it and I'll just wait for the ad. At the bottom, you've got textures, stickers, cloth, colors, loop, and shapes. So in this case, I want to use a texture and you've got these different options you can go through here as well. For example, I'll go and use this one here. So now I've selected it. You can choose the part of the torso you want to use it on and we've now gone and added it. You can then go through the different sections at the bottom. For example, stickers, you can go and choose one here or search. I'm going to upload my logo. I'll then go and resize it and position it. You can then press the tick and we've added it. And of course you can do lots of other things as well. Now to go and get it into Roblox, press the download button over to the right and we can go and add it to our photos. Come out of the app and open up a web browser. And what you need to do is head to roblox.com. Tap on continue in browser at the bottom and go and sign into your account. Then you can go to the top and tap create. Go to the top left and tap the three lines and tap creations. Scroll along at the top and tap avatar items and go and click on classics. At the top, tap on classics and for the filters, select classic shirts. And then you can tap on upload asset and upload again. I can then find it in my gallery and I'll select it and tap done. Then we can go and scroll down and give it a name. You can give it a description and it will cost us 10 Robux to upload it and then make it. So I can tap there. There it is, and now we can return to Roblox. On the customize page, tap clothing and classic shirts and you should be able to then apply it just like so. You can also go and put it on sale as well back on the create page.